Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this easy to follow tutorial, we're going to show you step by step how you can add a shortcut, for example, your favorite websites to your home tab here in the Microsoft Edge web browser without any advanced technical skills. So drop a like and let us dive into this. So this is super beginner friendly, guys. So as you can see, we're in the home tab of my Microsoft Edge web browser, and basically all you need to do is click on that button here, add shortcut or add a site. And after that, simply enter the name of the destination page you would like to make a shortcut of. So let me go, for example, with Amazon.com. Below here where it says URL, simply paste in the URL of the destination page. So let me head over to Amazon.com, copy the URL here at the top from the address bar, head back to your home tab and paste it here. Finally, click on add, and that is going to add the given website as a shortcut to your home tab so that you may access it directly and conveniently with one click of your mouse. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.